Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. In this opportunity, we would like to present our analytical exposition. Let me introduce myself and my group members. I'm Zahra, Afifa, and Anastasia. The title of our presentation is Why Postponement of the 2024 Presidential Election Should Be Rejected. First, I will explain to you about thesis. The holding of general election is important because it is a form of certainty for the realization of democracy. However, recently the issue of postponing the 2024 general election has become a trend of discussion. The upcoming 2024 election has been designated as a simultaneous election to be held on February for the election of the president and vice president and members of the legislature. But some political officials have proposed a postponement because the general election could disrupt the unstable condition of the Indonesian economy due to the pandemic. Then what should we do? Considering that Indonesia is a state of law and is subject to the constitution, we must reject attempts to postpone general election or extend the term of office. You need to know that postponement of the term of office is unconstitutional and undemocratic. This has been explained in Article 7 of the 1945 Constitution. So we must always obey it in various aspects of the life of the nation and state, including compliance with conducting election and carrying out the duties of power within a predetermined time. Because the current president has served 2 terms, it's time to hold election again in 2024.
That if the term of office of the president and vice president extended to 3 terms without clear constitutional reason, then all orders and policies taken by them will be prone to lawsuits. This happened because there is no legal legitimacy, which results in public acceptance of the authority of the leader who has been given power. It will be even more dangerous if it causes riots in various regions so that the country is in a state of emergency. The discourse has caused public unrest, and the most fair impact is that this issue will trigger public rejection and resistance, which can be followed by a chaotic situation in society. In the power side, the postponement of the 2024 general election, which has implication for the extension of the presidential term, will also trigger a deviation of power or abuse of authority, and it will have a negative impact on building democratic and a good governance.
Even during the pandemic, the government still has to hold general election within a predetermined time. Indonesia also has experience in this matter during the 2020 local leaders election. At every stage of the election, health protocol needs to be applied strictly to minimize the addition of positive cases. Currently, Indonesia is in the process of transitioning from a pandemic to an endemic. The transition process is in line with the easing policies decided by the government.
As a country that upholds the law and the constitution, all parties must implement the provisions and mandates of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia in various aspects of the life of the nation and state. Based on the proposal to postpone the 2024 general election above, it is necessary to reiterate that it is less urgent and contradicts the limitation on the term of office of the president and vice president stipulated by the Constitution. holding election within the allotted time is an obligation that must be obeyed even during the COVID-19 pandemic. So that is the analytical exposition tag for our group. Sorry if there is a mistake. Thanks for watching and see you.